Oh yeah, so good. Stay. What? You hungry or something? So am I! I need protein, and these trees aren't gonna punch themselves. I know what you're thinking. You're right. It wasn't fair. You were totally about to get fired out of my awesome cannon! Then that tiny blue gremlin took that away from us. Asshole. But don't worry. We're gonna find the biggest, most badass cannon, and we're shooting you out of it. There's these cannons I heard of that'll launch you way further than mine ever could. It's gonna be so awesome. You're gonna love it.